Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to stop Life360 from updating your location. So in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone and navigate to the Life360 application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. On this interface, you'll have to click on the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. When you click on settings, it will open up this page. On this page, you'll have a smart notification, circle management and location sharing option at the third place. Click on location sharing and it will open up this page. Now, just turn your location sharing off on this page after your name and this will stop Life360 from updating your location. Now, another way to do this is simply open settings on your mobile phone. After opening settings, you'll have to search for location. Click on location services. Choose Life360. Now, on this page, scroll down and choose Don't Allow. After you choose Don't Allow, Life360 won't be able to update your location. So, these were the two ways through which you can stop Life360 from updating your location. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.